गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज हम सीखने जाएंगे कि हाउ टू डिज़ाइन अ इंडस्ट्रियल चिमनी यूजिंग स्टैट प्रो। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट विल क्रिएट अ न्यू प्रोजेक्ट इन स्पेस मॉडल। विल नेम इट whatever you want, and then in meter unit lengths and kilonewton force unit lengths, and then next add beam and then finish. Okay, so our window has been open. It's taking a little bit time. We'll start after it opens. Okay, so let's start. First we have to go to geometry. There, run structural wizard. A window opens like this, and then we'll take the model as surface या plates model, because जो चिमनी है उसकी walls हम उसकी जो रहेंगी वो plates से बनाएंगे. No beams, no columns. कूलिंग टावर को डबल टैप करेंगे. यहाँ पे आपके पास कुछ आता है. इसमें टॉप डायमीटर आप रखोगे 48. बॉटम डायमीटर you'll take 40. Okay, and then height of tower, and then apply. So here is your design. Okay, we can go to file menu and merge model with stat pro, or directly cross this and yes, and add 0 0 0 xyz plane. Okay, so here's a model. We'll go out of grid and then to general. We'll add plate properties. We'll add thickness. Let us take thickness as 0.5 meter of concrete. Add, close. Thickness should be assigned to view and assign yes. So the thickness is assigned, and then we'll give the support. We'll create a support, a fixed support. We'll add it, and we'll select the support. We'll go to node cursor. We'll go to front view. We'll select all the bottom nodes. We'll go to isometric view, and then assign to selected nodes, assign, and yes. So our support is assigned. Then we'll go to load and definition. We'll add two load cases. First is dead load. We'll name it as DL, and second is temperature load, because it's chimney, so temperature may vary. So let me add TEMP and add and close. So in dead load we'll add the self weight of this chimney. Okay, in -1 factor y direction, add self weight, assign to view, assign yes. In temperature we'll add, we'll go to temperature over here, and the temperature change for axial elongation will give 800. Temperature difference from top to bottom will give 1200, and temperature difference from side to side will in local z direction will give 1600. We'll add it and close. In this temperature, the temperature will act on all the node points, so we'll directly assign to view, assign yes. Okay, so you may see that temperature has been added to all the nodal points. Okay, you may see that. देखिए, the temperature has been added to all the nodal points. Okay, so let's analyze the structure. Analyze and print, add, close, and then analysis, run analysis, and save the model. So we have come and zero error. Then we'll go to design part. We'll design it for concrete section and for IS 456. Okay, we'll select the parameters and we'll select FC. We'll select FY main and then OK. We'll define the parameters. FC as 30,000. Add. For FY main we'll take 415,000. Add and then close. Then we'll go to commands. Because this member is made of only plates, we'll design for plate and we'll take it off and close. So we'll assign all these properties and assign to view, assign yes, then 415 assign to view, assign yes, design element assign to view, assign yes, and then again we'll analysis and print, add, close, and analysis, run analysis, save the model. So analysis is going on, our design has been done, and so we have done with the assigning part, we are done with the analysis part. Now we'll go to post processing mode. In this post processing mode we could see the structure and we'll see the forces or the stresses applied on the structure. First we'll see the temperature stress, maximum absolute, apply, okay. So this is the temperature stresses on the structure. You may see that maximum is at bottom and minimum is at purple color. Okay, you could rotate it like this from here. Okay, here. Okay, you could see this things, and you can also see the animations of the deflection part. And okay, see, the structure will deflect in this way, in this manner. Okay, you can just increase it by okay. We'll go to again modeling mode. We'll select a plate and double tap on it. We'll see the whole detailed property of that plate, the principal stresses, the corner stresses, property of constants and corner stresses, center stresses, center stresses of temperature, center stresses of dead load. You will see everything over here. Just tap on any plate that you want to discover and double left click on that. The window will open. Okay, and let's see the मैक्सिमम एब्सोल्यूट अप्लाई ओके. चलिए हम इसका वो भी देख लेते हैं रेंडर्ड व्यू कैसे आएगा. ये ऐसे क्यों आया? बिकॉज वन ऑफ माई प्लेट हैज़ बीन सिलेक्टेड. सो दिस इज द रेंडर व्यू ऑफ अ प्लेट. ओके, एंड देन so this is the final render view of our chimney design. And thank you guys. If you like my lecture, please like and subscribe it and share to your friends. Thank you guys.